Alright, so guys, Sony introduced the Xperia 1 Mark II as its ultimate camera smartphone, and it has a Photo Pro mode that gives an abundance of features to be tweaked. One thing it was missing was RAW support, but now it is coming alongside the July security update. If you are unaware, RAW photos contain far more information than a comparable JPEG image. They might look the same through your viewfinder or in image galleries, save needing to open in a specific application, but they offer far more in the way of flexibility if you want to tweak or edit them with post-processing effects. RAW photos are larger and have far less compression, which means that you can make tweaks. A JPEG is usually the final image exported after processing and happens to be a lossy format. For photo enthusiasts that like spending time in Lightroom or similar photo editing software, shooting in RAW is a must. Anyway, the update is just about 75 MB and brings improvements to the front camera during video calls as well. However, there still is not any sort of night mode despite many manufacturers with cheaper lower tier smartphones introducing their technology. Either way, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next ones. Peace out.